Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a closer look at two top contenders in the robot vacuum and mop combo category. In one corner, we have the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus, and in the other corner, we have the robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to cleaning performance, both of these machines have some impressive features. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus boasts a 4-stage cleaning system that pulls in dirt, debris, and pet hair from wherever it hides. It even has dirt detect technology to detect dirtier areas and clean them more thoroughly. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo also offers a powerful 1,400 Pascal suction capability, which quickly removes dust, paper scraps, and other garbage. With its 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming function, it can tackle all hard floors with ease. Now let's talk about convenience. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus takes convenience to the next level with its automatic bin emptying feature. It can empty its own bin into a convenient enclosed bag, giving you up to 60 days of worry-free cleaning. Additionally, it knows what to clean and what to avoid, making it a truly hassle-free option. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo offers smart app and voice control. With the Tuya smart app, you can easily create a home clean schedule, change the clean mode, and even control the clean direction. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice commands. Navigation is another crucial aspect of robot vacuums. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus utilizes advanced navigation and 2 cleaning passes. It navigates your home in neat, efficient rows, ensuring a thorough clean without missing a spot. With its No Mop Zones feature, it avoids mopping carpets, keeping them dry. The robot vacuum and mop combo, on the other hand, features intelligent obstacle avoidance. With its set of sensors, it can identify and avoid obstacles like walls and stairs. Its slim design also allows it to reach every corner of your house or narrow spaces. Based on online reviews, here's an overall assessment of the two products. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus and the robot vacuum and mop combo in various categories. Both products offer powerful cleaning performance, convenience, and efficient navigation. Now it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. Remember to check the description below for more details, including pricing and additional features. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.